Hey everybody, I'm here in Midtown Houston in front of the St. Joseph House. And today we're going to be taking a ride on the Ebike from Houston Community College. And that's the central campus here in Midtown, all the way up to the Buffalo Bayou on the other side of downtown. Let's go. And here we are at the central campus of Houston Community College. And we're going to be heading all the way up. See, it says Austin Street on the ground here, if you can see that. Going to be going all the way up Austin Street. This is a 2.0 mile route. The heat index earlier was 108 degrees Fahrenheit, but now it's supposed to be down to 101. So a perfect time to go out for a bike ride, right? Looks like a beautiful tree-lined street right ahead here. The bike signal is ready to go, as well as the regular vehicle signal. But they do have separate bike signals for that reason, since we're on a bike lane. It's a little bumpy at times, parking on the side here, but it's still a dedicated bike lane. Gotta watch out for that, dude. And here we're coming up to McGowan, still part of Midtown. Okay, and here's somebody pulled over, encroaching on the bike lane. Hey, Amazon driver in their own personal vehicle. Interesting. And I know it was definitely their own personal vehicle. And they were still on the clock because they were holding a package and delivering it. Like a Nissan Versa or something like that. I guess tough times are different measures, you know. And here somebody put their trash cans in the bike lane. That's not good. This is Interstate 45 coming up here, and it's our turn to go. I learned my lesson about doing zero starts. Okay, that's not a parking space. Here's BMW at Midtown. St. Joseph Medical Center, and a little bit of that golden hour footage here. See if I can make this light if I punch it here. Yep. And the e-bike I'm riding is the GoTrax Easy Fold. Same one I used on Galveston Island on the seawall. Boy, they don't give you a break at all here on the lights, do they? Give you like 5 seconds once that one turns. The next one, no, you didn't make it. With a car, if you punch it, I can see the possibility, but on a bike, no. This is the Toyota Center District's Peace Streets. Looks like we made this one. Ooh, bird. Three, two, 1, 0. I'm not sure why we had to stop there before the cars did. Here we go. Okay. Little construction noise there. That was interesting. The guy decided to use the dedicated bike lanes to go the wrong way on a one-way street. This is One Park Place, this building here, and it is right in front of Discovery Green, which I also did a video on, a walking tour video, which you might want to check out also in my channel videos. There's NRG Tower to the left here. Now, see what I mean about the lights? It seems to change. That one will let you take off, and then this one will stop you. It literally seems to be almost every light like that. There's the light rail up there that just went by on the next street. This is nice, and I picked this one because it's a two-way bike path. Didn't have much choice but doing a zero start there since my pedal was in the wrong spot, and it was kind of caught me off guard. Although the battery shouldn't be an issue today, simply because we're not doing a 20-mile ride like I did the last time. Catalyst. That would be a condo type place there. There's the Staybridge Suites Holiday Inn Express combo on the opposite corner over there. Here is Preston Streets, which a lot of bikes use for west-east routes due to lack of bike lanes. Here's Congress, that's one of the main streets down here as well. Kind of like in Austin, Congress Street was definitely one of their main downtown streets. Commerce Streets. Looks like we can go now. And into the line. This is the Buffalo Bayou down here. Isn't that a beautiful bayou view? Thanks so much for joining me on this ride. It was exhilarating, having a great time here in downtown Houston. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please don't forget to check me out on Patreon, and we'll see you in the next one.